Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I will show you how to localize Vue.js in Gutenberg block and pass dynamic data effortlessly. So stay tuned till the end. So first go to your Gutenberg block, like at here I am at here, and I make one Gutenberg block with front category post. So I am at here. So go to in the first step, go to front end of your WordPress site, and in the second step open your browser developer and search for Vue.js. Like I am at here, and go to Vue page source, and now searching for Vue.js. Which you entered inside block.json, like Vue script file is Vue.js, so you can add, you can check via this file. So I am checking with this file. Yeah, it is coming. And now in the third step, copy the id attribute of the script tag, and this handle WordPress uses for your script. So at here, copy this part, and now remove JS part from it, and it is handle or to your block. Now at here I also explain, like this script tag look like script id my Vue.js, so handle will be my Vue.js, and remove unnecessary JS attribute if present. So now in the step 2, since our Vue.js already in queue, so it is not necessary. And so go to for localization. So go to your add-on file, plugin file, and add action with WP enqueue script, and use WP localize script with all part, like my it is handle and it is data which we are passing. So at here I pass this code, it is my handle, and I pass some data at here, and key point FCB is global object created by WP localize script, and any dynamic PHP value we can pass are accessible via object in Vue.js. So now we can check, like inside we pass inside it, and we pass some data, like site URL, so Vue.js, and at here I am checking with site URL. So first open containing folder, npm run vault, and now check inside at here in the console, site URL is this. So via this you can access all information. I already access other part, like API viz, FCP data, site URL, WSN, VP, V2. So via this method you can localize and pass many parameter which you want. And conclusion, by following these steps you can identify your Vue.js script, handle correctly, pass dynamic data, PHP data safely to JavaScript using WP localized script, access site URL, Ajax URL, nonce or other part which you want in Vue.js. And Vue.js is basically responsible for block front end. Now we are done, and thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with WordPress tips. Thanks for watching.